Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, today is the last day of January, and it's a little chilly out this morning. I would say, according to my car temperature, it is 33 degrees. I decided I wanted to get a little more walking exercise in this morning. I got my light hoodie on. I should have probably brought my winter jacket on. It's a little gusty, but it's not too bad. So today we're going to be walking around the Doyle Estate today, one of my favorite places here in the city. Letting you guys know it's going good. Today I'm just, actually all week, as a matter of fact, I'm just taking a back seat to a lot of city activity this week. Thursday morning we'll be filming downtown Common area for the Groundhog Day, and of course I'm making some recipes this week on my YouTube channel. I made a strawberry cheesecake. I'm going to give it 10 thumbs up on that one, Myra. And I got that recipe from Low-Carb Love. Today I made a corned beef and hash using turnip as a potato substitute. It tasted okay, but it was too watery. And I think maybe next time I make it, I probably will make it without the avocado oil and maybe use a different kind of corned beef. Because it just kind of like there's a lot of liquid, and I wanted to make hamburger patties out of it, but it was too wet, and probably maybe I would put breadcrumbs in it or pork rind in it would have been good. But this is the fun part about learning, and whether or not we like it or not. But it tasted all right. Maybe if I would have just had some eggs to it or something like that. But I'm just experimenting with food, different recipes right now. So now that we have the cheesecake all made and everything like that, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to make a nice peanut butter cookies. And I got this particular recipe from Christine from All I Dream About Food, and I'm also going to be making some bagels from a recipe that she had created a while back ago, and they'll be putting those two recipes together later today and the first part of tomorrow. And other than that, it's going good. Hope you guys have an amazing week. So at the end of the month, I weighed myself this morning. I was 221, so I lost 6 pounds for the month. I feel pretty good. I'm going to continue on in the month of February with strictly keto meals and a couple of low-carb meals in between, and be very vigilant on what I eat, and do a few days of egg fasting and beef and butter fast, because we got a physical coming up towards the middle part of the month, and I'm going to try to see if I can get my weight down to under 215 there for a change, down to the 210 range. And hopefully by March or April, when the weather starts breaking, when I get out there and go walking every day and don't have to worry about slipping on ice, we can push out for that 1 month where I want to get 100 miles of walking in for that month. We almost hit it once back in May of last year, bad hip and all. But this year, no pain and no cane, and if I could push out 4 or 5 miles a day, 2 or 3 times a week, I should probably be able to hit that 100 miles for that month of probably May, I'm thinking about. But yeah, I got a lot going on this week. I just kind of needed to decompress and just take a relaxing day. But I'm going to kill the video, go walking at the Doyle Estate, throw a few photos on the timeline, and hope you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for all the new subscribers that are subscribing now. Picked up about, last time I checked, they had 440 subscribers. So I've been picking up, probably averaging about 4 or 5 new ones every day with the new name that I have, Ron's Keto Cafe, because a lot of people seem to like that, and it's a catchy name, and it's easy enough for people to remember. So anyways, talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget, just hang in there a little while longer, guys. Things are going to get better, and I truly believe that, and hope you believe in your faith, because you're going to really need it when we get some things going on pretty soon. So just don't be alarmed, and just hang in there, okay? But I love you guys. Have a great day.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song, sing you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never under 1,000 ships just to be about your lips. Tell them all to